Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 16 October 2021, and today's video topic is string constant pull or literal pull. So, what is a string? What is a string pull? So basically, string pull is nothing but a storage area in Java heap. So where is string literal storage? It is also known as a string intern pool or string constant pool. It is just like object allocation by default. It is empty and private, maintained by the Java string class. Wherever, whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the Java heap memory. Creating a number or string Creating number of strings may increase the cost and memory, to which may reduce the performance also. So the JVM perform some steps during the initialization of string literals that increases the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of string object created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of strings. When we create a string literal, the JVM first check the JVM when we create a string literals. The JVM first check that literal in the string pool. If the literal is already present in the pool, it returns a reference to the pooled instance. If the literal is not present in the pool, a new string object takes place in the string pool. String is immutable in Java. Uh, let's see discuss points about a string constant pool or literal pool. The first one is a string is immutable in Java. All strings are stored in the string pool or string intern pool that is allocated in the Java heap memory. Strings pool is an implementation of the strings entering concept. String entering is a method that stores only a copy of each distinct string literal. The distinct value are stored in the string pool. String pool is an example of the flyweight design pattern. So string allocation like all object allocation proves to be a costly affair in both the cases of time and memory. The JVM perform some steps while initializing string literals to increase the performance and decrease memory overhead. To decrease the number of strings created in the JVM, and the string class keeps a pool of strings. Sorry. So string is a sequence of a character one of the most important characteristics of a string in Java, that is they are immutable. In other words, once created, the internal state of the string remains the same throughout the execution of the program. So that's all about strings and strings constant pool and string literal pool. Thank you.